That does it. I'm turning myself in at the animal shelter. At least I can get a night's sleep.
Oh, dear, I'll never get to sleep with Fred snoring like that. Fortunately, Pebbles has a set of earmuffs. At least she can rest. Maybe if I stuff this orange in his mouth, it'll stop his snoring. If mankind could harness that power, we could go to the moon. Now, who could that be? Come in. Betty, Barney, what brings you over at this late hour?
What else?
You mean Fred snoring?
Right, we can't sleep away.
And we're gonna stop it if you can't.
Lots of luck. I've been trying all night.
Come on, Fred. Wake up! Wake up! Oh, boy, looks like a real tough job this time.
Come on, Betty. Let's get out of this draft before we catch a cold.
Hey, I got an idea. Why not put Fred in a closet and close the door?
Won't that be uncomfortable?
Not for us.
Life with Fred must be like living in a wind tunnel. Good night, Fred. Yeah, isn't that better? Surprising what our little brains can do. And I got as little as anybody. Next idea coming up.
Now what, Barney?
A brilliant idea. This funnel is attached to a garden hose. I put the funnel over Fred's schnozzola. And now listen. No more snores.
It works.
But where does the sound go?
I buried the other end of the hose outside in the ground.
Harriet, will you turn over? You're snoring again.
Thanks, Barney. Now I can get back to bed.
Yeah. Good night, Wilma.
Good night.
Man, there's nothing like a good night's sleep.
Hey, how about that? We stopped the snoring just in time to get up.
Well, it's Saturday. At least you two can sleep a while longer. Me? I've got to fix Fred's breakfast.